welcome to our villa. Oh my gosh, this is so massive. I don't know even where to start, but we shall begin from this place. So this is the entrance that you guys have seen, and on the right we have the laundry area. We have a washing machine. I don't know what this place is for, seriously. What do we use this place for? I don't know, but here we have a port for internet or something. Anyway guys, let's go here. This is such a massive villa. This one is the first guest bathroom. The only thing that's missing here is maybe just a mirror, but I really like this tile. So from this bathroom we come here to the kitchen. Oh my gosh, this is my best part of this. No, this is not my best part. The best part is yet to come, and you guys will see the best part in a few. But this is how the kitchen looks like. So you have these kitchen cabinets, you have a stove, you have a sink, and there's also a fire extinguisher. And have a look at these tiles, guys. Amazing. Down here, let's see. Ooh, there's a dishwasher. But the unfortunate thing, you can't cook here, not unless you come with your own utensils, because I don't see any utensils here. Or over here. Oh, we have utensils. We have the cups, plates here. But here we have the cooker. We also have some storage space, and the best part of it, guys, is this place. This is the best part I like about this kitchen. This is the, and in this fridge, guys, guess what we have? We have some champagne, we have some wine, we have another white wine. I guess we'll have this during the night. And here we have some Coke, we have some light Coke, some mild Coke, Schweppes, Red Bull. And here I have my I have my smoothie. Let's see what we've got here, and I don't think there's something here. Let's say we buy some meat. This is where we shall be keeping it. And here we have the coffee maker. Plus we also have a kettle to warm water in for coffee. On this other end we have some milk, sugar, tea, herbal. Oh, I need to taste this. This black tea. I don't know what this coffee. So moving on to the biggest part of this villa.
I am truly impressed by this space. First, we have here a granite countertop and some bar stools, just a perfect spot to have your drinks, maybe in the evening. And guys, there's also another kitchen space which you might not even notice from this angle. But before that, we also have a dining table, and this dining table has 8 chairs. So generally, this villa can host up to 15 guests. Yeah, that's how big it is.
Kitchens, really? So there's this one here, and wait for it, I didn't see this. Oh, it's not, I thought it's opening. We have another fridge here, and there's a freezer. I'm so impressed. There's storage space right here, so you have ample storage space. So here we have the kitchen, there's the dining right there, and further end we have the living room, which I will show you guys in a moment. Very cute plants. To the living space. Don't you guys just love the interior design of this villa? How cool is this? It's actually metal, it's so beautiful. This type of villa has the simple and elegant type of interior design. You guys know that I like brown. So here you have your living space. From here I can see the kitchen. From here I can see the views, which are really nice views. So before we go outside, we have this space right here. This is a chill space. Maybe you want to read a book. From work, you just place your you overlook the view that I'm about to show you.
So now moving to the outside part of the living room, you have these spectacular views. Guys, look at this. It's so amazing. So from here you can see the highway, there's a stadium, and there are several buildings. I'm sure in like 10 years, 5 years, this place will be full of buildings. I'm not even kidding you. Just have a look. Like at night, this place is well lit, and on your right side, on this right side, we have now the pool. Yeah, this is the main reason why you should book this villa. This pool is at the 59th floor of this building, and so you have these amazing views as you have a swim. Very warm. So just sit here, have your glass of champagne or wine as you watch the Dubai skyline. I think that one is the stadium, but I'm not sure. There's a stadium, many roads, blah blah blah. And here we also have a sitting area. Maybe if you smoke, this is the place to be because there's a smoking dish right there. And that's not all. We also have this place right here. Here's a place where you can have some drinks. That's not enough. So, like a bigger one. You know, this is a big villa, so most people who will be coming here, maybe they'll be coming in groups and you'll need all this space. Right now, guys, we're going to see how the bedrooms look like. And yeah, follow me. Oh my, I'm just imagining if this could be my house, my apartment. Jesus Christ, I'll never go out. I'll never go out. Close the door. Here we go. Oh! Back to the AC. Alright, so let's go to the bedrooms. This is where you'll see how big this villa is. So, have you guys noticed these details? It makes this place appear so classy and elegant. Wow, the card. So moving on to this other area, this is also a guest bathroom. So yeah, this is the appropriate one. The other one didn't have a mirror. This one you have a mirror, you have a soap and lotion, some toiletries. This is a corridor. Oh my, guys, I can run from one end to another. Here we go. So this is the farthest bedroom. Here we have the washroom area. This is the farthest bedroom, and this is how it looks like. I think also this one is the smallest one. We are here to show you the master bedroom. You have a bed right here. It's so comfortable. Yeah, this is how the closet looks like. Here you have also some drawers, some laundry bag. What's in here? Yeah, just a brush. Here you have a beautiful painting of the pump, and you have a TV and a resting chair. There's a reading light, and coming onto this side, that's where we will land. So the good thing about this villa is that every bedroom has a balcony. So for this one, this is the balcony for this bedroom. This is how big this balcony is. That's the first balcony. This is another bedroom right here, and we also have another bedroom right here, and another bedroom right here. So, and there's also another master bedroom that we won't show. It will be the last one. We saved the best for the last. So right now we shall go to the second bedroom. From the entrance, there's the closet on your right. This is how the room looks like. It's just the same as the first one. However, with this one, you have a transparent bathroom, and you can actually see someone bathing when seated on the bed. And of course, it has amazing views. The bedroom we were at. This bedroom is similar to the one that we have seen. The bathroom is transparent. The only difference is that it's in a different part of the balcony.
So these are the chairs for this bedroom. Welcome to the master bedroom. You can see how massive it is, plus it has these very nice details. And on this side we have a TV. This is my favorite part of this villa, and you guys will see why. Once we enter, this is a walk-in closet. Probably you can see from a background why I like this villa, but here you have a closet, his and hers closet, and also you have a his and hers sink. And yeah, I have two mirrors. Like, there's two mirrors, look, and there's three mirrors. Just, this is one of the best showers that I'll have ever, because here you have a rain shower, alright, and it's overlooking Dubai, so you have nice views as you have the shower, and you have here a lotion. This lotion or something. The best bit is this bathtub. I'll just be like this. So relaxing, it's so luxurious.
It's calling me, like the rainbow.
We have these really beautiful lights. I don't know if you guys have noticed them. So at night it's gonna pop out. We'll show you during the night how it